Hello students, I welcome you all in today's English grammar class, and the topic is determiners. Very important topic in English grammar जिसे आप लोग को जानना चाहिए. Here is the definition of determiners. Determiners are a group of words that determine or limit the meaning of a noun or a pronoun phrase in a sentence. Determiner एक शब्दों का समूह है जो डिटरमाइन करता है या लिमिट करता है, तय करता है मीनिंग ऑफ ए नाउन, संज्ञा का अर्थ को लिमिट करता है, सीमित करता है या डिटरमाइन करता है, बताता है, और अ नाउन फ्रेज इन ए सेंटेंस. For example, they are going for a tour tomorrow. Here A is determiner. Second one is Sohan is my elder brother. Here my is determiner. Determiners are words placed in front of a noun. यहाँ पे कुछ और जानकारी दी गई है. Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make it clear. नाउन के सामने इसको रखा जाता है ताकि क्लियर हो सके what the noun refer to, कि नाउन क्या रेफर कर रहा है, क्या बता रहा है. For example, can I have some toffees, please? Here some determines the noun toffees. Second one is that dog. Which dog? That dog is barking again. So that is also a determiner. Here are different parts of determiners. First one is interrogatives, possessives, quantifiers, number expressions, demonstratives, articles, distributives. We will see one by one. Let us have a look of some examples for each category. हर कैटेगरी का हम लोग एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. Examples for articles are a and the. A and the you are familiar with. Example is there is an apple in my pocket. कि मेरे जेब में क्या है? An apple. So an apple is and is what? Determiner, which determines the noun apple. Examples for demonstratives are this, that, these, those. So one sentence is there used as example. These pencils are very cheap. Here these is what? Demonstrative determiner, which determines the noun pencils. Examples for possessives are my, our, your, mine, his, her, their, etc. Example is, one example is there, this book is mine. So mine is what? Possessives, which determines the noun book. Examples for distributives are each and every. Every child must read every day. So every is used as a distributive determiner. Examples for quantifiers or number expressions are which determines number and quantity, like another, many, some, few, a lot, several, and cardinal numbers जैसे 1, 2, etc. There is a lot of problems. So a lot determines problems. So a lot is used as a quantifier determiners. Examples for interrogatives are what, which, etc. You often ask question and we use which and what also. So here, which pen would you like to write with? So which is what? Interrogatives determiners. No is an also determiner which is negative one. I have no information about Mahesh. मुझे कोई जानकारी नहीं है महेश के बारे में. So no is also a negative determiner. In this sentence, no is a negative determiner. Let us look some more examples of determiners. Like give me a glass of water. Determiner article है A. Is this your house? Determiner possessives. Your is determiner here possessives. That girl is very good dancer. That is determiner demonstrative. Every student should be attentive in class. Determiner is distributive. By the end of this show, few people were finally left. How many? Few. So it determines the quantity and determiner is quantifier. Here one example is more. Whose book is that? Here determiner whose is interrogative, used as a interrogative determiner. Okay, thank you.